Most production sailing catamarans stop customizing at the 50s. The Sunreef 70 next starts there, built by Sunreef Yachts in Gdansk, Poland. Composite construction, Category A ocean-going classification, naval architecture and design both in-house, and every hull is part of the Sunreef Next Generation, engineered to maximize onboard volume. Two paths to power. The classic version runs twin diesels, 175 to 225 horsepower each, drawing from up to 4,000 liters of fuel split across dual tanks. The Eco version is fully electric, zero emission, ultra silent, and it generates power under sail. Freshwater capacity runs 1,600 liters on either version. Draft, speed, and range figures are available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 71 feet overall, 35 feet 6 inches of beam. Sail plan carries 1,722 square feet of mainsail and 1,292 square feet of genoa, spread across a twin-hull platform built for offshore distance, not dockside spectacle. The aft deck hides a concealed garage behind fold-out bulwark platforms. Forward, the flybridge and bow terrace convert for sun lounging, alfresco dining, or a wellness setup. Every layout, decor, and functional configuration is customizable. This is a build-to-order platform, not a fixed catalog boat, offered in both classic and eco propulsion. Panoramic glazing floods the guest accommodations, arranged across both hulls and connected by an open salon deck with natural light. Master suites carry spa-inspired bathrooms with an optional freestanding bathtub. Bottom line, this is a continuously produced platform. 23 hulls delivered since 2008, now entering its next generation, built for owners who want a real home on the water, not a rendering. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.